Hello everyone, today we'll be talking about the mini mental state examination in psychiatry. So this is a brief overview of how a mini mental state examination is. It consists of a total of 5 other six parameters, however the sixth one is usually included in the fifth. So this one talks about 5 parameters which are orientation, registration, attention and calculation, recall and language. So let's look at them in details. So when we talk about orientation, what do we mean? So you have to score 1 point for each correct answer. So you ask them what is the time, date, day, month and year. Then what is the name of this ward, hospital, district, town and country. So if they score everything correct, you give them a total of 5 points. Then you have to ask them to name 3 objects. Then you award 1, 2 or 3 points according to how many the patient can repeat. So basically what they mean is I can mention 3 random objects and then I'll ask the patient to repeat what I just said. And then, yeah. So if on the first attempt patient scores 1 or 2, so we give them points accordingly. The next portion is attention and calculation. So you have to ask them to subtract 7 from 100 and then subtract 7 from the result a total of 5 times. And you get 1 point for each correct subtraction, so you get a maximum of 5 points. Then the next portion is recall, whereby you ask for the 3 objects used in the registration test, 1 point being awarded for each correct answer. So you can give a maximum of 3 points. Then there's language. So you give 1 point each for 2 objects correctly named, such as pencil and watch. Then 1 point for correct repetition of no ifs and ands and buts. 3 points if 3 stage commands correctly obeyed. For example, you tell them take this piece of paper in your right hand, fold it in half and place it on the floor. If they manage to follow it, then you give them 3 points. So give 1 point for correct response to a written command. So just close your eyes. You're going to write down, close your eyes, and then they'll read it and they're supposed to do what you have said, what you have asked them to do. Then have the patient write a sentence. Award 1 point if the sentence is meaningful, has a verb and a subject. Test the patient's ability to copy a complex diagram of 2 intersecting pentagons. So you give 1 point for that. So this means that they have a total score of 30 points. So that's all about the mini mental state examination. If you like the video, please like, subscribe. Thank you.